Hey there, fellow creators! Welcome to today's tutorial, where we're diving into the wonderful world of Canva, your one-stop shop for all things design. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Canva's got something for everyone. So let's roll up our sleeves and get creative. Alright, first things first, let's get you signed up. Head over to canva.com and hit that sweet sign up button. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or even your Facebook profile. Easy peasy, right? Once you're in, you'll find yourself in Canva's sleek and user-friendly interface. Take a moment to soak it all in. On the left, you'll see all the design options, from social media graphics to presentations and everything in between. And on the right, you've got your canvas, ready and waiting for your creative genius. Now, let's jump into the fun stuff. Creating your first design. Click on the type of design you want to create, whether it's a Facebook post, Instagram story, or maybe even a flyer for your upcoming event. Canva's got templates galore, so feel free to browse and find one that speaks to you. Once you've picked your template, it's time to make it your own. Swap out the text, play around with colors and fonts, and don't forget to add your own personal touch. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even upload your own photos and graphics to truly make it unique. And there you have it, your first design in Canva. See, I told you it was easy, but trust me, we've only scratched the surface of what Canva can do. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy designing.